Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, May 9, 2024. Jamaica has recorded an impressive 1.7 million visitors as of May 7 this year. Preliminary data points to just over 1 million stopover arrivals and 700,000 cruise passengers stepping ashore so far in 2024. Compared to the same period in 2023, the stopover arrivals went up by 4.6% increased, while cruise numbers had a bigger jump of 23%. They have brought in roughly $1.8 billion in revenue. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett revealed the updated numbers during an interview with Sky News Arabia in Dubai, where he is leading a mission at the Arabian travel market. Over the last 3 decades, Arabian travel market has become a leading global event, enabling growth for the travel and tourism industry. Approximately 41,000 participants are attending this year's staging, and Minister Bartlett is expected to be in discussions with several tourism partners and stakeholders at the event as part of his strategic vision of attracting more visitors from that region. The tourism minister will also be meeting with the senior leadership of Emirates, the largest airline in the Middle East, to further negotiate air connectivity between the United Arab Emirates and Jamaica. The Ministry of Education has distributed 10,000 computers to high schools across Jamaica. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams made the disclosure during the sectoral debate in the House of Representatives yesterday. She says the ministry's collaboration with the implementing agency, eLearning Jamaica, outfitted the institutions with the necessary hardware to improve their IT infrastructure. This is to ensure that students are prepared for the digital age and have access to quality educational resources.
We have done this in record time in 1 school year. It is the good policies of this government and the consistent good performance of revenues that has created the budget space to allow us to take on these massive technology upgrades and broadband connectivity across the length and breadth of the education sector. Let us not divorce what we have been able to provide to our schools from the consistently strong budget figures of this government.
She adds that 25,700 teachers have also received e-vouchers to procure a laptop, with most having redeemed their coupons. Minister Williams is now urging the remaining teachers to redeem their vouchers as soon as possible. Businesses are being encouraged to employ more renewable energy practices to reduce their carbon footprint. The urging comes from Energy Minister Dr. Darrell Vaz, who was speaking at the commissioning of solar plants for the Caribbean Broilers CB Jamaica Limited Group at their Peninsula Hatchery Farms in Linstead, St. Catherine.
The solar project indeed falls in line with the government's thrust towards alternative sources and is a major milestone for renewable energy deployment in Jamaica. It showcases how businesses can reduce their carbon footprint, reduce energy cost, effectively offset imported fossil fuel consumption, and of course become more resilient and contribute to a cleaner and greener Jamaica.
The $3 million initiative was developed by Soleco Energy for CB plants across the island. Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, Floyd Green, who was also at the event, lauded the solar project.
Based on my research, this makes the CB Group the largest corporate producer of solar energy in Jamaica. So by leveraging renewable energy sources, including but not limited to solar power, we can enhance efficiencies, we can reduce production costs, we can mitigate our environmental impact, thus ensuring resilience and longevity in agriculture.
The National Fisheries Authority, NFA, has commenced Phase 1 implementation of the IRI-FINS online licensing and registration system. This will eliminate the need for fishers to go into the authority's head office to apply for or renew their licenses. Principal Director of the NFA's Fisheries Compliance Licensing and Statistics Division, Dr. Zara Oliphant, made the revelation during a recent JIS think tank.
We will be completing the implementation of IRI-FINS through different phases. The next phase will be for our extension officers in the field to use a platform. When our fishers come to get registered, they will use a platform to register them. and then we will progress to doing our vessel licenses until we have fully implemented.
$50 million has been earmarked to assist 60 persons under the Ministry of Health's New Limb, New Life program this year. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the public education component of the program will also be expanded to include greater communication around diabetes, the causes, and how to control and prevent this debilitating illness.
300 to 400 Jamaicans each year lose a lower limb, and 95% of those who lose a lower limb, meaning a leg, a toe, an ankle, whatever, lower limb, is as a result of complications from diabetes. What we have to do is expand that program. And the reason why we give a support, New Limb, New Life, as we call it, is not just for benefit of the person. We're also giving critical attention and public education to the idea of diabetes, which is one of the leading causes of death in the country. So we have built a communication strategy around that.
Dr. Tufton was making his contribution to the 2024-2025 sectoral debate in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. To date, the program has provided lower limb prosthesis to 58 Jamaicans at a cost of $24 million. Persons looking to benefit must be between the ages of 13 and 60 years, have lost a limb, and are registered with the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities. Applicants will be assessed by the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center or a qualified orthopedic surgeon to determine their suitability. The New Limb, New Life program supports the Know Your Numbers initiative, which aims to get Jamaicans to do regular screenings to know their health status and modify their behavior to reduce illness and premature death. And finally, the Health Ministry will be assisting 8,000 Jamaicans to improve their oral health under the Second Chance Smile program this year. This will cost approximately $60 million. Portfolio Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says 2,000 Jamaicans received new dentures under the program last year.
We feel this program is not only important for those who benefited, the 2,000 or so. We feel it is important for promotion of good oral health, which is what we have twinned with the program.
Dr. Tufton gave the update during his sectoral debate presentation on Tuesday. The Second Chance Smile program is now in its second year. According to the minister, it has been overwhelmingly received, giving confidence to those who've lost a tooth or teeth. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.